Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Builder Star Jar in Clash of Clans. This powerful magic item is designed to significantly boost your resource collection in the Builder base. It essentially allows you to bypass the standard 24-hour cooldown on your star bonus, granting immediate access to more Builder Gold and Elixir. Understanding its function is key to accelerating your progress and upgrades. Obtaining the Builder Star Jar typically involves participating in various in-game events, completing challenges, or purchasing it from the shop through special offers. Once you have one, using it is straightforward. Simply go to your Builder base, tap on your Builder Hall, and then select the Magic Items tab. Find the Builder Star Jar and tap Use to immediately refresh your star bonus, making it available for collection. The primary benefit of the Builder Star Jar is its ability to significantly accelerate your Builder base progress. By instantly refreshing your star bonus, you can collect more Builder Gold and Elixir much faster, enabling quicker upgrades for your buildings and troops. For optimal use, activate the jar when you have sufficient time to complete the required stars, ensuring you fully capitalize on the additional resources. It's important to remember that using a Builder Star Jar does not negate your regular star bonus cycle. You will still receive your standard bonus after its usual 24-hour cooldown, in addition to the one provided by the jar. Players in higher leagues, such as Diamond League, typically receive greater resource rewards from each star bonus, making the jar even more valuable for them. Strategize your usage based on your league and resource needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.